Hey my lovelies, this is Matulu, and today I'm showing you how to prepare FONIO FUFU. So the FONIO that I use is pre-cooked, pre-washed, and you can order it via eattolivenottoDie.com. So in my cookbook, I have the full written recipe in the cookbook, Cook with Matulu. So here I'm using my Salad Master MP5, also known as the Bag Girl. I'm going to add roughly about 1 litre of water. Now, in order to get the texture of somewhat like ground rice or maize, FONIO is best. Very, very good. It's starch-free, gluten-free. You can eat this every day. I encourage everyone to eat FONIO every day. Man, woman, and child. Super versatile. Now, back to the fufu. So I've been pounding it. It took roughly about 10 minutes or so to cook, because I added more water. Now, if you was making it into like a couscous or rice alternative, it takes roughly about 5 minutes. But because we have more water, then it takes longer to cook. So here it's ready. I'm just molding it for my son. And he's going to have this with some okra stew, which I prepared earlier. Look at that, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? Now that's the okra stew. It has some oyster mushrooms in there, lots and lots and lots of okra. This is a wonderful meal for pregnant women. I encourage you to eat this. This dish is very simple and super easy. Now, if you're interested in one of these beautiful Salad Master sets or the MP5 that I use to prepare the FONIO FUFU, email me at wearematulu@gmail.com.